Hello Year 2, it's Mrs Harris here. I'm going to be delivering the science lesson for this week, and this term's topic is feeding and exercise. And this week our learning objective is to know what animals and humans need for survival. I want you to imagine you are on this boat. Now this boat is called the Jolly Parrot and you're going on an adventure. You are part of the crew and you are sailing the high seas. But disaster has struck. The boat has hit a rock and has sunk. You escape the wreckage and you see a desert island, so you swim to it. When you get there, you realise that there is nobody else there, just you, on this beautiful island. How will you survive? Now, when you're on the island, you need to think of a few things. Now, using your knowledge of habitats, what do you need to survive? I want you to pause the video and have a think about what are the main things you need to do first of all. Right, did you come out with these? You will of course need food, water, very important. You can't live for long without water. Shelter. Shelter is really essential because even though this island looks beautiful and sunny, the storms can rage at times. What could you use from the island and its surroundings to help you? And I also want you to think about how will you keep fit and healthy on the island? Luckily for you, when you escaped the ship, you also had with you a bag, and in the bag is your survival kit. Now, in your survival kit there is some sunscreen, a water bottle, pen knife, very useful, rope, and some antiseptic cream. Now I'd like you to pause the video and think, how will these things be useful to you when you are on this deserted island? So you decide you need to go for a walk around the island to see what's there, so you have a good investigation. And this is what you see. You see some rock pools, you see a tree which has some interesting fruit hanging from it, you see a waterfall, and there's lots of other things you see too, I'm sure, which I would like you to think about in your own imagination. Now, consider these questions. How will you get your food? What food is there on the island that you can have? What will you drink? Can you drink the seawater? And what can you use to make a shelter? So this week's task is for you to draw a map of your desert island in the Pacific Ocean. So I had a go. I think you can do a lot better than me. Don't forget to label it. Then the second part, I would like you to have a go at writing about what you will eat and drink whilst you're on the island. And what did you use from your survival kit to help you? And the third part is, how did you make your shelter? What did you use? I'd love to see your work. If you want to email it to me, I would love to have a look. But have fun and enjoy and take care and stay safe.